Hi everyone, my name is Rachel and I'm part of the fundraising team here at Operation Wallacea. This short presentation is to provide you with a bit more information about how fundraising works. We appreciate that an Opwall expedition sounds like the opportunity of a lifetime, but the one thing holding most students back is the expense. Well, don't worry, there is a team of professional fundraisers here at Operation Wallacea who are ready to help. Over the 25 years of running expeditions, the fundraising team have helped tens of thousands of students from all over the world raise the money they need to be able to join an Opwall expedition. Over 80% of students that decide to fundraise either reach their fundraising target or go on to raise their full expedition cost, so it definitely is achievable. Fundraising is an integral part of any expedition, and in many ways it may be the most difficult challenge, but also one of the most rewarding. Although the fundraising can be a challenge, it should also definitely be lots of fun. When it comes to organising fundraising events, you need to think about events that excite you and your friends and family. Even with current restrictions on socialising, you can still hold fun events. It just involves a bit more imagination and planning, whether it be online events or socially distanced events outside. The skills that you gain from fundraising are invaluable. So from organisation and entrepreneurial skills to letter and grant writing, team building and communication, these are just to name a few of them. Operation Wallacea alone will look fantastic on your CV and job interviews, but if you can say you managed to raise X amount of money from your fundraising, then this really makes you stand out from the crowd, which in this career path can be really, really key. Once you have secured an expedition place by paying your 10% deposit, you will receive access to our full fundraising information. So we cover everything from setting a realistic target to creating a fundraising plan to how you can write a grant application letter and successfully organise events for maximum profit. We also have access to lots of amazing discount codes for equipment that you may need for your expedition. We also will invite you to attend one of our live fundraising webinars where you will have the opportunity to chat to one of our professional fundraisers so you can discuss ideas and ask any questions that you may have. The fundraising team will also aim to set up an effective fundraising group at your university. So this is so you can maximise your fundraising potential with both individual and group efforts, share ideas and also become a support network for one another. Operation Wallacea is different to most other similar organisations. So not only do we offer full support when it comes to fundraising, but we also put a huge amount of effort and resources into researching and finding grants that students may be eligible to apply for. So we have information on hundreds of grants worldwide, including university-specific grants and several grants exclusively set up by Operation Wallacea. We will help students throughout the whole process. So this is from identifying grants to also then helping to write the applications. There are also several worldwide organisations that have been very supportive of Opwall volunteers in the past. So part of that fundraising advice, we talk in detail about these different organisations and how to approach them for funding. We also cover information on how to approach companies. This can also be a huge source of income for our volunteers. So here are a few examples of some students from around the world who have been successful with their fundraising. So as you can see, they all took a completely different approach with their fundraising, but all had equal success. So although the fundraising may seem even more daunting at the moment with the current COVID situation, please don't let this put you off. We promise that there are still lots of fundraising events that you can do, including many of the traditional events. It may just require thinking outside of the box, making sure that they are socially distanced. So whether it's moving events outdoors or to something that can be held online. We'll provide you with lots of ideas to get you started and are always at the end of an email or call to help if you get stuck. That's what we're here for. We really are here to help you through the whole fundraising process. Remember, this has been achieved by countless other volunteers, and with a little bit of hard work, determination and a helping hand from us, you can definitely do it too.